Ooh, what's up, dudes and dudettes from El Molino? It's Owen Searles, coming at you live from TV45, and today we are making chocolate chip cookies, baby. It's time to wash your hands. I'm a public safety person, bro. First step, you're gonna want to sift your bread flour, your normal flour, and your salt, and I think your baking soda into a medium-sized bowl. You're doing 1 cup, but you put it in by the spoon, because if you put flour in just by scooping it, you pack it, and then you get too much. A little baking tip. I'm gonna do 3/4 of all-purpose flour. 3. 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, baby. Or baking soda, my bad. You should probably be more precise than I'm being, but it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. And then you kind of just want to go with my non-desiccated flour.
Keep sifting, baby.
So we're taking 2 sticks of butter, or 1 cup of butter, unsalted butter, and you're gonna put it in a pan, and you're gonna put it over medium heat, and you're gonna let it melt. But you're not just gonna let it melt. You kind of want it to turn into like a nutty brown, and you kind of need to like watch it to do that, because you're gonna need to start stirring it so it doesn't burn. Alright, so this is the brown butter. I have no clue if this is what it's supposed to look like. Probably did it wrong. That's okay. We're gonna pour it into a bowl so it stops heating. I don't know, it looks pretty brown. And we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of room temperature water. And stir that up again. And then you're gonna put that in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Preheated the oven at 350 degrees. Alright, so we're putting some sugar, vanilla, and espresso powder into the stand mixer. Whoa.
How many of sugar was that?
That was 1/2 cup of sugar. 1 cup brown sugar.
2 teaspoons?
Yeah, I'm just gonna eyeball it. That seems like enough.
This is expertly done.
I think that's enough. Whatever.
I'm sorry, man.
Crack 1 large egg in there. And you crack an egg in there. And then you're gonna want to scoop it up with your fingers, just the yolk. Put that in there. You just put the dry mixture in bit by bit. Five ounces. There we go, that's like 5 ounces. Incorporate that in there. So we have parchment paper onto our trays, and we're gonna scoop out some cookies. And we're gonna put these in here for 12 to 14 minutes. Alright, so we made them way too big, but that's cool. That was the video, guys. I don't know if I ate the cookies or not. Who knows? That's a mystery to me. But if I did eat them on camera, they're pretty good. I'd rate them Let me think about this one. Psych, 10 out of 10, baby. Did not even falter. Peace.